Hello and welcome to Be My Cook. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be making a wonderful holiday dessert called Hazelnut Mascarpone Mousse. So let me show you some of the ingredients that we need to make our Hazelnut Mascarpone Mousse. Mascarpone cheese, hazelnut spread, and heavy whipping cream. Let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our heavy whipping cream and we're going to whip that to soft peaks. Now that we have our whipping cream to soft peaks, I'm just going to set it in the refrigerator for a few minutes. In this bowl, I'm going to add 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. This is like a cream cheese, very similar. Get all of that out of there. Now we're going to go ahead and add this hazelnut spread, 1 cup. This is a generic version, it's not Nutella, but go ahead and use Nutella if you wish. All right, now we're just going to use our mixer and mix this up. Now here is our next step. We're going to take our mascarpone and hazelnut mixture and we're going to fold this into our whipped cream. And be gentle with it, just keep the folding motion. Just add a little bit at a time. You have to take your time with this because this is a mousse. You can't rush the process. Now once I get this all folded in, I'll show you the next step. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, it's very mousse-like. And it has some striations of the mascarpone and hazelnut spread in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fill my dessert cups with this mousse mixture. Of course, you can put it in a piping bag and pipe it around inside your glasses. Go ahead and fill it all the way up to the top. I'm going to continue to fill my glasses and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. All right, I've got all my dessert cups filled. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover these with plastic wrap and put them in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, and then I'm going to take them out and we're going to decorate these. So I'll see you back here. Now our mousse is now out of the refrigerator. It's been in there for a couple of hours. And I have the small ones over here, but I'm going to decorate the big ones right now. I have some mint leaves in front of me, and I also have some cranberries that I just put some edible glitter on. This is the rose color. And I'm using cranberries because it's that time of year where we start to use cranberries in a lot of our holiday meals. So this is just purely for decoration. We're not going to eat the cranberries on the top, so make sure you tell your guests that these are not to be eaten, but it just looks really pretty on top of our mousse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a leaf on top and another one, just like that. Now I'm going to take some of our glittery cranberries and I'm going to set those right here in the center, just like that. And I'm going to decorate the rest of them just like this. Let me show you a small one. Let's bring this one up. We're going to do the same thing. But this time I'm just going to use 1 leaf on the small ones. And 2 of our glittery cranberries. So let me show you how I'm going to serve these. So here is our hazelnut mascarpone mousse. Let's give this a taste. It's very light and fluffy, as you can see. It's very sweet. It's so good. It just tastes like chocolate, but very airy. So I like making this for Christmas. And if you would like to make this also for Valentine's Day, just change the cranberries, leave the mint leaves, and put some chocolate covered espresso beans on the top and maybe some chocolate shavings, and you have yourself a wonderful dessert for Valentine's Day as well. So be creative, and if you'd like to see some more recipes from me, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!